how to turn off mention notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off mention notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app, and here we'll find this three lines in the top corner, and then click settings, and now just scroll down until you find this one here, notifications, and scroll down. Here you will find mention, and then just if you want to turn it off, just click on it, one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.